Move over, banana bread! There's a new bread in town. This super moist carrot walnut bread is a great addition to your list of the most delicious loaves. It's classic, sweet, and has delightfully rustic flavor to it. Pair it with tea or coffee and you've got yourself a perfect morning or afternoon treat. In a mixing bowl, add the flour, baking soda, ground nutmeg, cinnamon, and mix them well until well combined. Okay, I'm going to set it aside. I'm getting another bowl. I'm going to add the eggs, brown sugar, Baguio canola oil, white sugar. I'm gonna whisk it first. And then I'm going to add the grated carrots. Continue whisking until the sugar is dissolved and the juice from the carrots will come out, so your wet ingredients will have more volume. Okay. Wet ingredients are ready. So I'm going to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Just continue mixing it until everything is well combined. You have to remember that over-mixing the batter will allow the gluten to form. When that happens, the bread becomes more dense and chewy. So to keep it light and soft, avoid over-mixing the batter. Okay, now for the last ingredient, I'm going to add our walnuts. And then you just give it a good stir. Okay, this is ready. I'm gonna get the loaf pan and then I'm going to brush the pan lightly with oil. So the parchment paper will help you to lift up your carrot walnut bread when it's baked. Now I'm going to pour the batter into the loaf pan. So I'm just making sure I'm gonna finish everything. So you scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl. Okay. Try to shake the loaf pan a little so that the batter will be even. So make sure you put the loaf pan on a baking tray, and we're going to bake this for about 60 to 65 minutes. After 35 to 40 minutes, check the top of your carrot walnut bread if it's already brown. So to prevent it from burning, cover it with foil. Look at the color, it's perfectly brown. And I don't want to burn the top, so I'm going to cover it with foil. And continue to bake for another 20 minutes. I'm going to check the doneness of the carrot walnut bread. Insert a stick or a cake tester. If it comes out clean, then the bread is ready. So you let it cool for about 1 hour before you remove it from the loaf pan. I'm going to remove the carrot walnut bread from the loaf pan. I love this carrot walnut bread recipe. It's rich but soft and perfectly moist at the same time. The combination of nutmeg and cinnamon enhances its natural subtle sweetness. You should definitely put this on your must-bake list or must-share list.